Hello, everyone. This is Coach Hall here, your insurance go-to, person. All right. So I definitely wanted to make this page about insurance. All about insurance. If you're looking to sell insurance, you're wanting to know more about obtaining insurance for you and your family, this video is for you. So, just to let you know, a quick history or a quick summary about who I am and how I got into the insurance industry. So, my husband passed away. Actually, my sister passed away first. Well, let me go all the way back, okay? So, I got married in May. My sister passed away in June, and my husband passed away in August. And with with all the tragedy that I've experienced, I was in customer service, doing customer service work at the time, and I was looking for another career path, even while my sister and my husband were alive. My husband allowed me time off to figure out a career for myself, a better career that would bring in more money for our household. And I was thinking about selling houses. I was thinking about real estate. And I spoke with the real estate agent, and she told me maybe you should get into selling insurance. And I thought that was very strange because, like, I'm coming to you trying to sell um, houses, and you're telling me that I should think about selling insurance. That's crazy. Anyway, my sister passed away a month after I got married. My husband passed away 3 months after I got married, and insurance was looking better and better. I didn't get into insurance until the following year after all the tragedy happened, but I was during that time when with all the tragedy, I was just trying to figure out, okay, how can I better my life? Because now I'm alone, very much alone, and I'm stuck here, not able to take care of my household, pretty much, point blank, period. And I was thinking, I need something that's going to make me stable. I need a career that's going to better me so that I can provide for myself and for my children, or at least my household. So at that time, my two youngest children were living with me and, of course, dependent on me. And so the pressure was on. So I was just working real hard on my customer service job. And then my daughter said she was going to change her career in insurance. And I was like, really? So here insurance goes, coming back up to me again. And I was like, okay, she was already kind of in that field because she was doing adjusting. She was an adjuster. And so I was thinking, she's already in that field. She understands what it is. I really don't really know the details or just the little details, the ins and out of insurance. But I was looking for a job on like Indeed online. I was just looking for jobs, and someone hit me up about selling insurance. And I was like, okay, wow, I've never been given the opportunity to sell insurance this much in my whole life. I've never. So I was like, you know what? Maybe I should think about it. Maybe I should consider it, especially since my daughter, which was my oldest child, was getting into insurance. I'm thinking if it's something that she's interested in, then it probably can be something that could be beneficial to me as well. So I looked into it just a little bit, not even much. I heard a couple of conversations about it. I got with this group, with this company I thought I was going to be working with, and learned a lot from their end, from how they just got into insurance, how to pretty much put yourself out there and sell. And then I started practicing using the practice material to study to take my license. And I eventually passed. It took me a lot of tries to pass for my life exam, my life license, but eventually I passed. And then I was looking for a career in selling life insurance. And that became real tough for me because I was running across a lot of companies that either wanted you to go door to door or purchase your own leads to sell life insurance. And both of those options wasn't something that I was comfortable with. So I decided to get my property and casualty license. And I just started working on at my new position, at my new job. And I'm so excited. So excited. Like, I feel like this is a better start for me, but I am glad that I did get my life insurance license also. So I actually have all. I have my life, health, and my property and casualty license, which are, I would say, inexpensive to get, mainly because, you're not going to school paying thousands of dollars for tuition. You're not going to pay all that. You're not going to pay those crazy amount of prices just to get a career, just to get settled in a career. You're not going to do that. So I haven't sold a policy yet, as of yet, because I'm in training. This is my second day this was my second day at my new job. But I didn't want to sell a policy with the company for life insurance, and I knew I wasn't going to be there. After I applied and became a employee or an independent contractor for a couple different life insurance companies, I realized, it's looking the same. I was looking to see if maybe it would be different over here, different over there. And no, it was pretty much the same how the process works. So that's why I decided to get my property and casualty license so I can, get with a major company that can support me and back me a little bit, work in an office versus going door to door to make sales, and give me a better schedule. Because that's another thing. A lot of companies want you to work up until like 9 p.m. and that's just not my style. Okay, it's to each his own. It's just not for me. I'm pretty much a 9 to 5 girl. Pretty much would like to work from home, and as of now I'm not working from home, but it's okay because that is my goal one day, to work from home. And while I'm working at my new position, I feel like this is a new opportunity for me to gain all the understanding that I need about selling insurance. Like I said, I have all 3 of my licensing, and so I'm going to be able to be at this position, learn as much as I can, and then eventually own my own insurance company one day, because that is my goal. And which is easy to do. I didn't even realize how easy that would be to even own my own company. With selling life insurance, they give you that option or tell you that is the option for you, which is true. You can have people working up under you. You could work for, yourself independently. You could work from home. You could go door to door. But, you still have to purchase your leads and all. So during this time is a good time for me to get that knowledge, get that experience that I need, get settled so I can feel comfortable with selling, because we all need it. We all need it in some type of way. So it's not like it's something that you don't need, right? And I used to be one of those people who said, I wouldn't sell. I don't want to sell. But when I realized the importance of just having life insurance, then I understand why it's important to sell certain products. You understand? So I just wanted to make this video kind of real quick to just give you a background about myself, introduce myself, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to do some more videos letting you all know about insurance. And yeah, so stay tuned. There's more.